Microsoft Word. No, not this one. Say this. I just gave the test for you to show you. So this is the icon that subscription come my mailbox. So once you receive this one, so either I attach the image and here you can see the Excel file too. So you can just go to the report and download. Maybe click here to download as per your wish. You can do that. Okay. So talk about the this is subscription part. Now I want that my report should be refresh on time. So we have a database which is called there are two type database we available in the market, one on premises, one cloud. So cloud prospect the gateway is not required, and where we configure the gateway in Power BI services. So where the Power BI services is, so some people say Power BI cloud, some people say Power BI cloud this one, some people say Power BI services. So the same word for it, there is no difference. So say this is the Power BI dashboard. You can go main. So it's a menu created. So here I have the data. So we have settings. Go to setting, admin portal, settings. Okay. So settings option, go to the configure gateway, and you can use it. Manage here, manage gateway connection, and see this on premises gateway that I build at my system. So I can use it whenever I want. So talk about the we can say Power BI services cloud prospects. A cloud, you can publish the report on the services. Like suppose I have this report. Okay, so I have to publish in my cloud. So let's publish it to show you. And this is the training. Okay. So this way you can publish it. Don't worry, I will explain everything, but yeah, I'm just giving an example to you. Successfully published, either you can click here or you can come here too. So open it, training, already been training. So let's see, type cells and click into it. Say this report has been published successfully. Okay. So let's move to the how to consume this report. So obviously consumption prospect very use. Maybe click here and visit to the different pages as per your need. So it's very easy. Don't worry. Okay, you can understand.
Sir, once we developed this report and all, we have to share to the our project manager or client.
Yeah, so good questions were sharing prospect. Few company has a policy, and if you don't have policy, they advise you that who is going to use this report. We directly cannot share with anyone. The report is given to us. They have access of the report. They review, they check everything. Then they are confirm you that who are the consumer of this report. Then you can share with them. Otherwise, you won't share because I don't know. It's a finance data I share with the entire organization. This is not possible. It may be a silly data I can share with all organization. This is not possible. So we need to talk to the stakeholder for it. The stakeholder will advise you whom to share the permission. You cannot decide it. Okay. Hope you got the answer correct.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Perfect. So next application, which is Power BI services, the fourth application name is Power BI gateways. What the gateway means? Gateway, we have a two type gateway. And installation prospect, guys, you don't have to go anywhere. First, I'll show you how to do that. But yeah, gateway prospect, come here. Come to the setting, and here have the manage gateway settings, admin portal, group storage. Download report with the download gateway. Yeah. So here I have a Power BI desktop. You can download from here. Download gateway, paginate report, Power BI mobile. This is Power BI has a mobile application too. And if you wanted to analyze data in Excel, the Power BI report publishes that this data can be analyzed in Excel as well. So you must install this, analyze the Excel update, and then you can use it by make relationship. Okay. And Power BI mobile app, obviously you know how to use the mobile app. I don't have to tell you. and paginated report and Power BI report builder are the same, only name is different. So same thing, Power BI report builder say, or paginated report say, so same, both things are same. And data gateway means, let's click into it. There are two type data gateway we have. One is standard mode, another is personal mode. So personal mode self-explanatory. Suppose I'm using, I wanted to use the database at my own system. Then I have to download the personal mode. But I wanted to use, we can say global system. Means my all organization wanted to use the gateway. Then I use the standard mode gateway, and all people is prefer the standard mode gateway only. Standard mode gateway only. Okay, so I would say install this one, and this is a great feature, permitted to you access the other user too. That kind of access it has. And also here is a personal mode, so you can use your own system only. Okay, so installation prospect, let me show you. Gateway on-prem gateway. This is the gateway that I installed at my system. Right now guys, because it will take a time, only download and just run it, nothing else have to do. And click here, give your organization email ID that you have, and say next, that's it. Automatic it will, we can say configure and get your gateway is all set, and now you can use it. Once set, everything is done, then come to here and restart it. That will work. It will display in your cloud like this. Settings, manage gateway and connection. So what all gateway we have, you can see this here. On-premises gateway, see this. This is the gateway that I have. Refresh it. See this, it is online. So this is my gateway. If I wanted to configure it, data source. So see this, I configure multiple data sets here. So you can be 100 plus 20, 25. So just click here, and you can pass your credential, everything, and use it. No problem. So we'll cover one by one. Okay. So this is the on-premises gateway. So let me summarize this one. What all application Power BI has? A mobile application I'm not considering guys, because it's not a development part, it's a consumer part. Okay, so consumer is going to consume the report, so they can use the mobile phone. So mobile phone is, obviously we cannot develop the application there. So major application that we have: Power BI Desktop, Power BI Report Builder, Power BI Services, Power BI Gateway, okay, and Power BI Mobile App. Anyone have any question on this application, let me know, I will answer the question. Then we'll move to the next part. Okay. No question. Anyone have a question? Just let me know. Compare prices of the Power BI. Okay. See this, Power BI has, we can say 4 type of licenses guys. Here mentioned only 3. So this is the link. You can type in the Google, compare Power BI prices. That's it. And always use online portal. Do not write down at your system, and do not keep in the notepad. Only follow this one, and every 7 days you can check this out. I'll tell you why. The reason behind it that suppose if I'm using anything, okay, so the problem is that Microsoft changing rigorously in Power BI. Guys, honestly I'm saying, I prepared the all content in PPT, but within 1 month everything got changed and my all content has been lost it. So that reason, never make mistakes, always follow this one, and never comment the prices to the consumer. Okay, why? Because if anyone reach out to you and say what are the prices going on, you committed something, so you would say please visit the Microsoft portal to check the prices. I don't know prices about that. Deny that suddenly. Reach out to the Microsoft portal, because prices you cannot control it. You saw immediately $10, suddenly change to $15, and that you will get a problem. So you should not pay your own. You must follow by the consumer. Who is consumer, they must buy it. It's not your call. Okay, so make sure never make this kind of mistakes. Let's talk about the features that license type have. So first let me explain the license that we have. Means I have, you can see that. So I have, see this, free account. Since I have Office 365, so here I have a free account, and free account means, suppose I'm using the trial. I have to go to the okay. Hope you are everyone see the screen. So we have to go to the f.powerbi.com. Okay, forget about this one, guys, because it's this company has their own credential. I given the demo, so that's the reason I added that. So ignore this one. Okay, you can see it all. So f.powerbi.com, and talk about the Microsoft creating a partiality into it, because they created a separate link for the different organizations. So they are using their link for US. So f.powerbi.com. Okay. And then register. If you have an account, then go to sign in. If you don't have, sign up it. Okay, so sign up prospect, you click on new Power BI. After that, go to the step by step, enter OTP, enter name, email ID, location, cell phone number. Cell phone is not mandatory, so enter everything and then go ahead and register yourself. You will get a 60 days trial, and after that you can, if you don't buy it, it will convert in a free account where you have a few limitation, but yeah, you can consume the report. Consumption, there is no charges for it. So if you have already accounts, you can log in it. Then enter user ID, means email ID, and your password, then hit enter. Few organizations have a third party verification option, so you follow the company policy. So usually people have, because without this they couldn't we can say permitted that. Okay, so you need to follow this one. Next, once you logged in, the icon would be look like this. Okay, guys, please mute yourself. We are getting a background. Guys, please mute yourself. Okay, so any questions, so then unmute, ask your question. Otherwise, don't unmute yourself. Okay, then this is look like this, but yeah, it is allow you to use your custom branding and everything. Okay, so for this, go to the setting. Okay, and here I have a setting option. Not this, admin portal, and feature and content, custom branding. Okay, so here come. But yeah, company doesn't allow to do that. 99% cases you won't get access. Since I have a premium, so I can just show you. So whatever logo company has, you can use it. Okay, see this logo is looking here. And after that, cover image. In the cover image that I have here, this image. Yeah, it's not looking good, but yeah, at least I can show you. Custom branding. Thereafter, use the color. If I wanted to change the color, yes, still you can change the color if you need. See this. I wanted to change my color, so publish it. See, it changed my color automatically once publish it. Publish it. Okay. So you can choose your own color. Doesn't matter for you. Okay. And if you want to see preview, yes, you can do. Since I already applied, I don't have any problem, so I applied that. So this is the company, you can say logo and everything, you can add that, say custom branding. But yeah, guys, I'm sure that you won't get access, because the company, if you're new, then you need it. If you're not new, it doesn't need that. Okay, because they do the everything. After that, sorry, home page. We have a home page here. So home page look like this. Thereafter we have leave everything. Yeah, create port. So if you wanted to upload your manual data, so do it here. And if you wanted to look the recent view, the report recently saw that, you see here. See this last one, I use this one. If you have any favorite report, just click on the icon here and fill the icon. Wow. So like suppose here I will just click into it. Okay, or maybe uncheck that. So it will apply here. So let me show you. So I just fill it. See this. Is this coming? Yes, it's coming now. And whatever your organization share the report, you will be able to see that. What does it mean of your organization? Well, suppose I am working on my domain, like VLSP have a domain. Okay, VLSP have a domain .com. So if I am sharing my report with my employees, so they visit my portal, my link, and they can see the report in the shared with me. But if you have a different organization, we can say different organization email ID and uh, different organization link you have, so you visit that link only by using your email ID, then you can able to see that in your that person, that company report. You won't see here in your portal, doesn't see that. Okay, means different organization with different link, your organization will share with me, you can see whatever report I will share with you, you can see here very easy. Now development pipeline, guys, few organizations have their policy that they first go for requirement gathering, there they assign workspace, then they develop the content and report, test it. Once everything is done, they deploy it and then share with the user. So these kind of steps can be create the steps here, and then you can do that. But yeah, it's a premium facility is required till late, and maybe आगे change, so I don't know, because everything going to change the Power BI. Talk about the workspace. What is the workspace? Workspace means, suppose guys we have a 10,000 report, 2 MBs. So Power BI has a 10 GB space in Pro. So what should I do? I will publish many reports here. How should I manage this one? So apart, if you forget about the size of the data, so and consider lower amount, so in 10 GB maybe have a 10 report, maybe 20 report, maybe 50, maybe 100 report, depending on the report size. Maybe 100 to maybe 1000 report can be possible. So maybe something maybe we can use 2000 reports as well. So is this possible to publish all number of data sets in the Power BI? No, we have a limitation which is called 1000 data sets can be published. What is the mean of data sets here? So let's consider, show you. If I publish any report here, since I published already, not 8, I already published, see this. A report divided into 2 parts. One is visualization, I'll show you, and one is data. See this, same name appears in data too. How this is possible? Yes, this is possible because Power BI has a feature automatically data divide here, and content view, the report and everything divide here. So content is here and data set is here, divide automatically by the Power BI. So this data set can be published in a single workspace, 1000 only, but see, depend on the size of the we can say workspace. I mean size of the workspace, according to the size you can do that. So maximum 1000 reports can be published. If you go for interview, please write down and remember this one, please, because they will ask you. Next, talk about the come to the main topic that we are doing.
Sir, can you repeat again, sir, if you don't mind?
Yes, sure.
Sorry.
Don't say this kind. Please just ask simply that. Yeah, please repeat. Sorry, it's not.
Yes, sure, sir.
Because it's my job. Talk about the supermarket prospect. So report divided into the 2 parts. Since I just published for you. So once I publish the report in the cloud, Power BI services, it will divide into the 2 parts. Okay. First one is supermarket sales, means content, and another one is data set. And if you wanted to see together, come here and see that both together, you can see that. So why divided in the 2 parts? Because Power BI has a feature, its data set is different and content consumption is different. By using this data set, I can create 100 report if I need that. But yeah, content is for visualization and view prospect, and data set can be used other other reports too. That the best part is that. So how I can let you later on, but yeah, you can understand this one. So once divide 2 parts, so you can consume this report, and 1000 in data set, 1000 number of, depend on the data size, like we have 2 MB data file we have. So 2 divided by 10 GB space maximum we have in the Pro license. So we can handle 2000 reports, more than 2000 reports. So is this possible to publish in the, we can say folder or workspace? Okay. So Power BI has permitted to use single workspace, you can publish 1000 report only. So see this. So I am trying to make you understand the workspace is. So workspace, okay, let me complete. So workspace is a folder, okay. So like desktop has a folder, we can see here number of reports. By the size is over till date. So same thing here. you can publish the report 1000 data sets here. Reports content can be create many, but number of data sets can be published 1000 only. Please go ahead and ask your question.
Yes, sir. Sir, in interview, how will they ask the questions? There are two parts of the content,
Yes.
and
Yeah, they will ask. They usually simply ask. They cannot ask database topic. They say that suppose I publish the report. What happened in the cloud? So you just say simply report. Just once I publish it, data set and content two part is divided, and maybe some question people ask. I do ask, what are the data sets in Power BI, and what is the contents in Power BI? Content in Power BI. So simple say. Once published report in the services, it will divide into two parts. One is data set, one other is the content. So content is consumption for the consumer and data set for developer if you need that. So you can use many reports as well. Okay. Any other question?
okay, sir.
Okay, perfect. So workspace is a kind of folder. For layman language, you can say that workspace is a folder where I will publish the report. That's it. To obviously arrange the report, arranging is required, and it has a different kind of permission that we need to grant it to the user, and user can use as per their permission. So I'll show you home tab, everything. Now, once how to create the workspace. So for create the workspace, simply go to the here workspaces here item there. Okay, and then create new workspace. Since I have all permission this, so I can just put the name, whatever name you're looking for. Test workspace. Okay, type it description. If you want to give word and do it. Advanced asana. If you have any specific kind of requirements, you can do that and then save it. Okay. And just save it. And see the workspace has been created now. Now next part is that how to give the access of the user. Okay. So here have the we can say see this access option. So just click it in workspace. Once you go to the workspace series, I'm in test workspace only. Okay. So here go to the workspace. That workspace you have. Then go to the access and put your email ID, whatever email ID you have. Okay. So just type the email ID to show you. Any email you can. Because this example, these are not working, guys. Any email is not working. So Nokia to pick up that, and then after we have admin, member, contributor, and viewer. There are 4 options there. So what is the admin? Admin have all permission like I am delete everything, delete, modify, change the user permission, everything I can do that. Whatever I want, I can do that. No one can stop me. Talk about member parts. Apart from workspace deletion, okay, I'll do everything. Means I cannot delete my workspace. This I cannot delete that. Okay, but I'll do everything. Even share the access as well. Member level access I can share with them. Admin I cannot. Okay. Contributor has same member access, but one difference is that they can add the contributor role, but not member role. Okay. Until unless admin is permitted. And viewer only view access is given to you. Like suppose I have operation manager, he do not have the we can say work. He just wanted to see the report. So just give them share the view access so that he can view the report. In view reports, people can see the content part. This part is see only. Those means data set, data plus data flow, and 2 options is disabled for them. Only content part is view. Viewer can see that. The rest doesn't see that. Okay. So talk about the test workspace. So you can grant the permission as per their need. Next part talks about Once I created that, I want to delete the workspace. Obviously, delete also wanted to learn how should I do that. So go to the workspace here. Go to your workspace that you created. Click on three dot workspace setting and delete workspace. See this, and just click into it and delete this one. Okay, I deleted that. Remember one thing here: if you are deleted the workspace, so you can restore it. But you deleted the report, then you reach out to the Microsoft with the report number, they can restore it. Till time, this option is applicable, so you cannot delete that. In interview question, if you ask interviewer that if I delete the workspace, can I restore it? So say yes. And say if I delete any individual report, then I'm able to restore it. Say yes, but yeah, reach out to the Microsoft for it. And if you don't remember, go to the Microsoft document, powerbi documentation, check what is the current situation is. According to the situation, you can answer them. Maybe tomorrow they will create any solution for it, so you always follow the update yourself. Okay, that is important. Next we have
Hello.
hello.
Sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, if you don't mind, can you repeat? If we delete the workspace, we can restore it. And if we delete individual report, that what you said?
Yeah, so if you delete individual report, then you reach out to the Microsoft that please within 30 days. So please restore this report, because Power BI report restoration is not possible by consumer in or user in. Okay, even admin also cannot be restored by here. Look, suppose I delete this report. If I delete this one here, so I cannot restore this. If I delete the workspace that I deleted the workspace, I can restore if I need that. Okay. Any doubt, anyone? Okay, let's move the licensing tab. Since I told you there are 4 type Power BI licenses as free, pro, premium per user, premium per capacity. I'll let you know the difference between them. Okay. So go to the compare prices and start the understanding. Power BI free, I told you that go for 60 days, register yourself on the f.powerbi.com, and thereafter use 60 days, then automatically converting. We can say it will be converted to the 30. We can say convert into the free account after 60 days. Okay. Talk about the pro. So pro, we need to take licenses from the Power BI. For all feature need licenses. There is a difference between them. Free, Power BI free, Power BI Pro, Power BI Premium per user. There are 3 licenses. We reach out to the Microsoft by individual reach out to you who wanted to buy. But talk about the premium per capacity. You reach out to get for license. You reach out to your organizations. Please grant the access for me. So organization will provide. Sorry guys for background. So for premium per capacity, organization buy the license. Okay. And that license will be consumed by the obviously employee. So here employee must reach out to your organization to get license, because what happened, Microsoft, let me give the explanation. So if you have a pro or premium per user, okay, so what Microsoft did, they create the server, three types server they created. One premium per user, and pro and free. So if you have a free and pro, so they just assign like we have 100 GB space, okay, 10 GB space I given to you by cost, okay. So that is called pro or free. Premium per user, what I did, I created the premium capacity, and I created the ones like 20 GB space, 10 GB space to you, so that you can use it. So that is called premium per user, and with the premium benefit. And talk about the premium per capacity. So what I did, I allowed to the consumer dedicated server to them, so that they can consume, they can modify their content, they can use your privacy policy, they can use your content model, they can use There were custom branding and all, so I don't want to interrupt. Microsoft never interrupt that. Just follow the policy that you should not break it. That's it. Otherwise, it's just given to you and you can use it. Nothing else. Okay. Talk about the if you any doubt, let me know in Power BI Pro, Premium, and Premium per user. I explain very guys. I'm explaining very layman language. If you don't understand, let me know. I will repeat you once again. Okay. And let me know if any, like, suppose the way that I'm explaining, if you have any suggestion, let me know. I'll well. Publish report. I just publish the report. So the simple you can publish the report and see this guy. If individual prospect you're talking about, you will get a pro license here too. But only your cloud is premium. That's it. Power BI desktop is totally free. Power BI desktop free. Report builder is free and desktop. Cloud Power BI service must register yourself within 60 days. I told you, and gateway is also free. So application is free. Only Power BI services is chargeable, and after 60 days. Okay. Paginated report. I told you RDL file, paginated report, whatever you say. This is called Power BI report builder. Simple. So yeah, it allowed to permit 3 of them. Previously in, you can say 20, 21 and 22, nearby August, September, it doesn't allow to publish in the Pro RDL file. Doesn't allow. Paginated report doesn't allow by the Microsoft. But yeah, people giving the feedback, so they start permitted to us. Content consumption without per user license. Yeah, this is possible in the premium per capture. What is the mean of that? Suppose I wanted to consume the report. So in both of scenario, I need to register myself. But here don't have to register. Company can give the permission and you can use different portal. So that permitted. Talk about on-premises report. Okay. Few company, they are not trusting anyone. Okay. And still they wanted to consume the report. See this how what kind of we can say flexibility Power BI provided to premium we can say facilities. So suppose I'm using the Power BI report, I got it the license premium. I don't want to publish in the cloud. I thought it's not secure for me. So what should I do? So what I'll do, I'll on-premises report server. So I install my own on-premises server, report server, and then publish directly into the services, into instead of services, I can publish directly into the their cloud, or their we can say report. So how should I do that? Publish, and you can see the option. Once you publish it, you will see the option directly. Here or maybe here too. So you see that's one, it will allow you to permit on the server directly from here to desktop to directly server, and you can consume the report. And a single report size would be 1 GB maximum, 100 GB, 400 GB, depend on the license term. Connection type, more than 100 connection source. What is the source? And data. So data means anyone have idea that let's talk to anyone. Anyone have idea what is the data is? No one have idea. Okay. And what is the source? Okay, perfect, no problem. So data prospect, guys, if you're entering in the company, so it's creating a data. If you are talking to the consumer in call center, you are also creating a data. If you are interacting in Vodafone store with the clients, you are also creating a data. It's your feedback. You know, usually people ask for the feedback, so that also a data. In layman language, you can say that if anyone doing business or anything that going to get the information, that is called the data. Data have many ways to consider that, okay? And obviously if you are using the report, there must be refresh also required. So there is the policy that if you are using pro license are free 8 times a day. If you are using premium, so 48 times a day. I mean every 30 minutes you can refresh your report. But yeah, 30 minutes is not possible, guys, because at least it will take 10 minutes, 20 minutes. So usually people set 1 hour or more. But yeah, Microsoft permitted that, so we have to follow this one. Source means where I will get the data. Data has been saved somewhere, and in that scenario we need to export data from them. Next, create visualization. Obviously, Power BI Desktop, I told you it's free, you can use it. API and control embedding. Embedding is great feature in the Power BI that allow you to embed your report with another portal. See, if I wanted to embed this report on a different portal, this is possible, guys. How? Go to the we can say file, embedded codes, maybe SharePoint, any website and portal, and publish to the web, or maybe developer background. So click here. If I am .NET developer, so I can just use and build the report here and just publish on the gateway rendering for prospects. I can create my own everything and then I publish into particular different places. See this. So all option is there now. You don't have to worry about that. Okay. So see this, how much Power BI previously doesn't have, but yeah, Power Microsoft given the feature to do that. Okay. If you are a developer. One thing, each technology is going to merge together. Yeah. So please focus on the learning. Must focus on the learning. Any doubt, anyone? Any question? So introduction part, if you're talking about, so we just revise everything so that you can understand. First, Power BI is a visualization tool that help in many industry, HR, sales, finance, every industry. Talk about the application prospect. So Power BI Desktop, Power BI Report Builder, Power BI Services means cloud, and Power BI Data Gateway, and Power BI mobile application too, that maybe Google and Google Store, or maybe you can say App Store, you can download and consume the report. Licensing term, talk about free license, pro, premium per user, premium per capacity. Remember this one, okay? Further details, you can visit the Microsoft website for latest update, and always follow the latest update so that you are updated in the market. Next biggest question is that who all competitor available in the market. Guys, it's not possible to cover everything, so I just pick up the top 10 for you, understand, because top 10 is sufficient. Most of people who is got the difference, so I'm not talking about, but yeah, the major competitor in the market is W, Looker, Sense, Tomo, QuickSense, Postis, W Server, and SAP Analytic Cloud. I'm sure you never had one, maybe had W, you can say hear that, but apart from that you never hear that. So please understand, and you will get the videos, you can just watch twice to understood about that. So let's create the simple and easy dashboard today. Any doubt in introduction? Introduction is completed for today. Anyone, any question, let me know.
Yeah. So if we want to practice every day, so we need to download this Power BI app to understand.
Yeah, I'm coming here. For installation part, I'll just covering introduction completed. I'm moving to the installation part only.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, so introduction, but what is the Power BI? I hope you understood about everyone, correct?
Yes.
Perfect. Let's move to the installation part. That is the major part that Power BI has, okay? Why installation is required? Obviously, if you're looking for something, if you wanted to buy the Parle-G biscuit in the Parle-G biscuits, you reach out to the market. Sorry for the example. This is a very lower example I give it to you, but yeah, this is the truth. So you need to visit to nearest store to buy it. Okay. Same way, if you're looking for the Power BI, so you must install their store only. Simple thing. So yeah, if you wanted to install by the different places, even type here, like come here and type install Power BI. See this, what happened. Install Power BI desktop. Click into it and download. Come to download center. Once I click that install, okay, download here. See this download option. Say Open Microsoft Store. Why should I go, we can say, additional effort I'm going to do that when I have a facility to open the Microsoft Store directly. So type MS Store and open it. Hardly take less than 15 seconds, guys, and open the MS Store. Instead of moving here and there, go to the MS Store directly on your laptop and type here Power BI desktop. Sorry, it's already showing. It doesn't allow me to type. It will automatically appear. So first type the Power BI and say this. Power BI app. This is the mobile app, guys. For tablet, you can use Power BI app. Okay. Power BI desktop, you know, it's a self-explanatory. Power BI report builder. I told you already that what the Power BI report builder is. So 3 things install here. So Power BI, if I'm not going to install here, doesn't need that. Power BI desktop I already installed, and report builder too. So let's open the Power BI desktop. Here we have the option which is called Power BI desktop. See, open because I already installed it. Here you can see install option. Just click into it and it will take 1 minute and install automatically in your system. Why I'm saying to install here instead of the portal? I'll give you an exception for you. So because I need to cover everything, guys. That's the reason. Okay. If in case you are not able to download from the MS Store, then what should you do? You would say I'm not able to install. No, you cannot say that. You have to find a solution for it. So here I have the Power BI Advanced option. So you type same way, you can type Power BI install Power BI desktop and the Google. Then go to the second option that we have and advanced option. Advanced option permitted to install this one. If you have different languages, you can use as per your language. But for India, Hindi, I think not. Hindi is available. See, the Hindi is available, and Telugu. I don't know. Telugu, I'm not sure about that. Check it out, guys. Don't worry. Check it out. So language. See, if you wanted to go this, we can say, trainings, you must learn English. Without English, not possible because foreign people speaks only English. I interact with the Chinese people, I interact with the Japanese, I interact with the US, UK, Canada, Australia. They are understood simple English. They speaking very good compared to us. So you learn English, don't worry. So you can just understand the concept, so that you can learn it. So install here to download this Power BI and use it. And still if you're getting any problem, like sometime you got the opening in problem, so uninstall this one, clean your time file, and after that reinstall once again. Restart your system, then reinstall once again from here or there as per your wish, and you can do that. Okay, so install Power BI desktop, Power BI report builder, Power BI gateway. I told you that go to the we can say Power BI services. I will directly type here, directly type Power BI gateway, install Power BI gateway. That's it. You directly reach out to there. See this, if you already reached it there, so you can install standard mode and personal mode, whatever suits for you. So you can do that, okay? And this is for the application. So I don't know, people are suggesting to add the on-premises gateway here. Many ticket has been created. Power BI gateway. Gateway. Date not install, okay? Date not apply here. Means not available in the market, okay? Okay, next question you have, guys, where would I get the data? Okay, so you can just simply type Northwind data set. Okay, so here you can see the data. These links will be shared with your institute, and institute will share with institute will share these links and everything to you, don't worry. So you don't have to install anything, means data set and database and all. By using this link, you can download the mini data, whatever data, how many data you need, you can download that. Let me show you. So go to the here, and then come to the ODBC data feed, and then paste here. Press OK. And select whatever you need. So order, And rated table, select rated table only, that's it. Nothing is required, and press OK. And it's loaded successfully now. And see this. So it has a many data, you can use it. The link name is Northwind Datasets for Power BI practice. You can type on the Google and get it. But people has access, so you can install 2019 server into your desktop. If you have, then congratulations. You can link with the Power BI and use it. I'll show you how should, in next session, I'll show you how should I link everything that I'll tell you. So let's create the dashboard today, okay? Dashboard is very important today.
Sir,
Yes, please go ahead.
sorry to interrupt. Out of curiosity, I'm asking you one thing. Like, see, if like, and like other applications, like other software applications or any other applications, is Power BI has versions. Like, is going to update quarterly, yearly, like halfly, like that.
Monthly basis.
Is it? So according to that, we need to update on every month.
No, I actually am getting a background noise. I didn't hear properly. So sorry for this. Can repeat once again if you have.
No, I just wanna know. Is application going to be update on quarterly, yearly, or halfly, like that?
Monthly basis. I'll update you that how should I get the details, what all changes has been made to Microsoft. I'll let you know how should I get it. But right now, don't worry. Since training has been started, so I'll tell you everything. This is first day. So every month, Microsoft gives a new update. People are creating 100 ticket every day. We're voted to 2000 daily so that Microsoft can update every month, every day. Okay. So let's build this simple report. So see this is the data. This is Power BI default data. Okay, if you wanted to see where can you get this data, so you don't have to go anywhere. See this. I just downloaded. Otherwise, it is a blank. Let's open a new file. Control N and open the new file to show you where you can get the data. Power BI has own data to practice, and that's the best data it has. See this is the try simple. Just click here and load simple data. That's it. Try simple data and click. It will automatically load it and display here. See this. Financial data not loading because I have already. If I'm using too many PBX files, my system is going to hang. So I don't know to take a risk. Okay. So this data ID segment, country, product, discount band, units sold, manufacturing prices, and guys, whenever you work for any data, must review each data one by one to understand what exactly data is, each column. I know it's not possible some situation, but you must understand data completely. How much understanding you have in the data, okay? As per your understanding, you can work efficiently and in less time. That is the object in Power BI to complete anything, okay? So I'm not going to use any formula here. I'm just using a very simple and logical dashboard, okay? So see this, here I have report, okay, this report has the header. So first we're going to create the header. How should I do that? So we need to add text box here and add. Okay, now select this one all data and send to the middle. Increase the font 24, bold it, and then change the color to the white color. I don't want to display right now. Okay, see this, nothing is appear here, everything is gone. Now click here, okay, and Then see this option is not there, so go to the view and there's a format option, so you can add here and say this now option is appearing now. So size and style, whatever size you're looking for, you can change it as well. Eye width is correct, height should be lesser. Even you can do manually as well. If you need, you can do the manually as well. So I'm just doing this one, so it should not have a cursor here. Next, background color. Obviously background color looking for so let's pick up the different color. Google data L. Guys, this is the great link where you can see the many data, like simple of the data. Now data means visualization. Wait. Type Power BI color codes. Website. See this. These are color. My favorite color is, guys. I'm using this every time. It has a good combination of the data. So now I'm looking for the lighter data. I like lighter means blue, light colors. So come here. So how should I go there? So you can just select this one, go to the background color, select this one, and then pass it here. So see this, now it displays perfectly. I need to do more modification here. So click here to minimize this one. Oh yeah, title don't need that because it has already title added there. Next we have the header icon. Enable this one. Yes, please tell me. No question. Border. So let's give the border color this. Perfect. Come to the visual style. Border color. So I'm looking for the, guys, you can suggest your color if you have anything. Round corner. Shadow should be given. Shadow not outside, inside. I wanted to see. Let's increase a little bit front here so that cursor should not be appear here. Say this. Bottom, top left. Okay. Say this. Now nothing is required. So I think format has been done. Say this is the same that I have, but yeah, this is totally changed. Next, I wanted to ask, obviously if you're creating any report, user wanted to see the multiple category. So to this, we need to add and KPIs as well. So KPI, let's add the KPIs. First, what the KPI is? KPI means key performance indicator, maybe a small card and maybe multiple card, maybe the chart, depend on the requirements. You can use it. Okay. So here I'm going to add the KPIs means card. So I'm looking for the total sales right now. So come here and for total sales just select this one, sales item. Okay, even you can select here too and say this, you can just click into total sales, say this one. Okay, I wanted to change this one, sum of sales to total sales. Okay, total sales and click outside so that it will update it. So total sales is there. Now adjust the size, and I wanted to adjust many things here. So go to the format and title is not needed. Size, if you wanted to change the size, please go ahead and do it. Width, you can adjust that. Background color, we have one color, so we should use single color only. Border should be red. Only two colors going to one. The corner should be round. Shadow should be inside, and color should be same that I have already. Sorry, that I used already. Okay. And title not call out. Yeah, call out value. So change it to the 20, not 20, 30. Bold. Okay. And color should be white. It should look like good now. Unit I want to change 1000. but 1000 is not looks good, so let's choose the millions is good. And thereafter category level, so category level obviously wanted to change this one to this color and increase little bit font and bold that. Okay, so now see this card has been created successfully, and see how look like is. Copy and paste. Only one effort is required, guys, nothing else. Once effort has been given, then just change the value, nothing else. Select data. This time I'm looking for the sum of units sold. Okay, and even you can add it to here that I told you. So total units sold instead of sum of total units sold. So copy and paste, link here. See this, create more space so that I can show you something. Next, profit. So click here, delete this one, use profit, total profit. Please go patiently, slowly create these things. I know initial will look like tough, but don't worry, it's very easy, very easy. And you will teach me after 2-3 sessions. I'm sure about that. Next we have, click here. Guys who is already using Excel, they never get any problem. I 100% trust on you guys, and everyone knew that. Okay, Excel, everyone knew that. Total gross sales. Okay, and next we have sales price, product, manufacturing price. So this time I'm going to use create a measure, and average manufacturing price I'm going to take it. Average MFG prices. Control plus, then it will increase the font automatically. So average manufacturing prices, okay, and close it. Because price cannot be summed, okay, that's the reason I'm changing it. So now this time I wanted to change this one to, delete this one and add to the manufacturing price, okay. And instead of million, I wanted to change to the, where is the million option was there, call outs, where is the call out. Yes, change it to the none. Say this, now just pass here. One thing remember guys, here see this, each have a different spaces. I don't want to keep that much spaces here. I want you to same space, either you can do manually, select this one, control and select everything, every visual, okay, the way that I have. Then after come to the format, automatically format option will be highlighted here. Go to the alignment and distribute horizontally, and say this, it will create the automatic space from everywhere. Perfect. So see, all space have been adjusted to the similar layer. Next I'm going to add the slicer filters, guys. Filter is required, so just right click, add visual, and use slicers. Where the slicer is, this is slicer. Even you can select here too. If you don't know right now, so slicer or the slicer series, slicer one. So you can select that, even select that too. So I don't know, need that right now. So let's work on this. First, add here, add one here, click here, and then add the first country. Okay, and come to the format, guys. Size is okay, I don't have a problem size right now. I'm looking for the setting surface. So here you can see the vertical list, maybe title. So title look like this, guys. Okay, and then have the drop down. So I'm looking for the drop down here. The problem is that I wanted to select all together. How should I do that? So I need to select one, if I selecting second, automatically first one is removed, which I don't want. I can permitted select 2, 3, 1 as per my needs. So control press and select everything. But why customer is going to press control? We are not here to, we can say, irritate the customer. We are going to help to the customer. That is our object. So powerbi have a solution which is called single selection. So let's select the single selection. If you have any situation where you wanted to select the single selection, then you can select this one. If you're looking for the multiple selections, so just disable this one and increase select all. See this select all option would be appear now. Even you can select 1 and 2, don't have to select any, press control. You can select anything that you want. Together you can select that, okay? So I'm just leaving as it is, so that I'm looking for. And then select this one. Select this one, okay? Oh, let's format this one. So perfect. So start from the basic size, and this size already fitted, so I think no need. Size and position, if padding is not also needed. Background color should be this. It's a by default color, you know that. Next border, I'm looking for the 30%, and border should be this. The border I selected this one, correct? This one I selected this color. Shadow should be red color, but already using it. Title is needed. Title we have already, just we change to the data slicer setting, already done. I explained the slicer header. So header should be display in font color should be white, and perfect. And even you can change the slicer background color too, so you can change as well if you need. But okay, leave it as it is. So see this look like good, and let's change to the background border color visual, then use the shadow outside to inside, and say this I created successfully. Let's copy and paste. Only one effort is required, by one effort, and pass here. Next column I wanted to pass it come here. Oh, actually I have a habit, guys, so I have to reach out to over there. That doesn't need that, okay? I have bad habit. Then use the segment. Just copy and paste here. Next we have the add column. Do practice. How much practice would be possible? Please do it. Do not scare. Do not worry about that. If you don't know, next session when we arrive, you can ask your question in next session without any hesitation. I'm happy who is asking the question. So I love those people, so that I can learn also. I'm here for learning. So please help me out, guys, okay? Next, I'm looking for the, see this. Once I created the tax value, it has a completely different behavior. Now I'm going to use the number instead of date. So select this one, and it will give a different option here. So add this time to use the date. Where is the date? Yeah, perfect. Okay. So let's come here and change the format as a date and time. Okay. And see this, how does it behave? Click into it, format, slicer. Okay, slicer selected that. See this. It has the two menu vertical list. Title I told you between. See this, it will change the between, and it has also slider too. Slider also there here. Next, if you're looking for the before and after, like suppose some scenario before is not possible, it doesn't allow to move that, okay, because as per the policy. So you can just hide out this one and enable the last one. If in case looking for the after to hide and before can enable, also it's possible. If you are looking for the drop down, I told you drop down is definitely possible. And relative date. So relative date, what the mean? So last, next, and this. Last 1 year, last 2 year. Here you can see the 1, 2, 3, 4 whatever suits. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can add that. and whatever category you are looking for, you can select and pass the value. So I think that's very easy. One thing remember, it will working on the your as per data model, so and current data as well. So just think this one before using. Then select all, and I want everything should be an different distance should be same. So distribute. Last time I used this one, so I use horizontally. So alignment to left and distribute vertically, so that similar space are everywhere available. Okay. Next part is that use any of the value. So I'm just let pick up one dashboard to show you. This one is color is good, that is in a copied. So just paste here. Okay. So here have the we can say I'm just going to create my own visual. Don't worry. For color perspective, I just pick up that, add visual, and use the stack bar chart. Yeah, stack bar chart you can pick up that. Okay. Increase the font. Okay. One thing remember, guys, we have Microsoft. This website name is Color Crop tool. Okay, click into it and download this one. I don't know, it's not working on my system. That's very bad. I can say it is my bad luck. You can say that. It's not working as intended at my system. My maybe latest Windows doesn't support. If it's work, I tested many 2-3 months ago. Might be it will fix. It's open source, so many people updating every day. Finish it and see. It should look like this. Okay. So by dragging this, okay, pick up any color. So if I suppose I wanted to pick this color, so just click into it and keep your cursor here. Even I select this one. Wow. It's not working on the system as intended. That's the biggest problem I have. Oh, not working. So see this. And this color code is going to paste in the hexa code. This is called hexa code. Paste in the RGB. So you can paste in your powerbi, it will work. So you can test your it. Let me know if you can get difficulty. So talk about. So same way, what I need to do, I am going to pass the value. So here we have the segment. First we have to use segment and then looking for the cells, total cells as per their categories. So now I am looking for the formatting. I'm not going to follow this. I'm going to follow something else here. Okay, some different way. So let's talk about the here. I wanted to display the total cells. Total cells. Okay. Then also you can format as per your business needs. So I'm going to use header 1. Next text color should be white. Background color should be green. Okay. And if you wanted to send alignment, yes, you can do that too. But I don't want to keep left side is looking good for me. Next, spacing, everything looks good for me. Yeah, data label must be required here. Data bar chart. So I wanted to use all here. So now I'm going to pass each category data color by using this one. Okay. By using this one. By the data. Simple detail. Yes. So let's use some different color. So you can test one by one color, guys, and then apply it. Color prospect. Girl is much better than man. This is I saw many times. And next we have the yellow color. Then we have the no. This color. Use those color, but yeah, use lighter color, not darker color. Okay, because darker color is not we can say permit, and maybe it looks good, could be not better. That's my opinion, but yeah, you can go as per your understanding and company policies. Few company have their standard, so we must follow that. We cannot deviate with our company policy. Next we have this one. Okay, say this. Okay, so now I wanted to modify more colors here, more we can say information. Okay, okay, so data level, see this, I added the data level, so that I can see this is the left of it. We don't see her value. Now if you enable this one, so guys, each visualization have their own format. Okay, so you must going to learn one by one, slowly you can practice it. Since I remember almost has been remember it daily basis, so you can go and practice it. Okay, now I wanted to use here the total y-axis. Okay, so segment is correct, segment. Okay, now even we can correct the white or maybe whatever around, give the label and date format everything to here, so you can do that as well. Okay, if you need. Next, looking for the axis, x-axis, yes. Then we have the we can say Arial black, and I want to type here, yeah, total sales, label mandatory, that's the reason. So then I have given the white or maybe bold color and Arial black. Okay, size should be 12. Even you can give another color if you need it. So I need to give the different color here too. So after that, bar color changes that. Now I want to use background color, plot area background color. If you have an image, you can add that here too, but I don't have image right now and don't need that image. Don't add until unless we have something that someone told you to do that forcefully. X-axis, data level, use background, and then we have the start from the padding is moving up and down, so here you can change it. Okay, so if you change this one, see this what happens. See this. Okay, so padding is not needed. I need default, it's good. Okay, background color instead of white, I'm just going to select the no, green is not looking good. Yellow color is also not looking good. I don't know. Yeah, black. Yeah, this one is looking good right now. And then transparency little bit do more so that it will looks better. Visual border should be this, and rounded should be 100% around this one. Shadow should be inside, but color that I'm looking for is this time I'm yellow color looking for. So now see this way I did it successfully. Yeah, see this. Now I wanted to use the donut here, and donut charts, whatever you're looking for, you can add that. Okay, so now let's add pie chart here, and same concept. Okay, sorry, just copy and paste here and change this one to pie chart. Okay, and increase level up to here. So this is the basic dashboard that I have, guys. If you select December, see this modification has been done. If you select the segment, yeah, you can select the segment 2. If you are wanting to select two countries together, yes, you can do that as well. Okay, and next, if you're looking for the duration, according to duration, you can do that. Okay, so this is the dashboard, guys. Let me save you. and everything. So anyone, any question, so let me know. Anyone have any question?
Sir, final my question is that, sir, all I supposed to prepare that visualization part, or already it is a prepared one. It will be come to that from the project manager.
Okay, there are two, three possibility you would have if you're getting a new report. Okay, so sometime client give the all information. They give the simple layout, maybe created in, give the idea that this is my layout. Just implement in the Power BI. But usually not happen this way. Project managers give you the information. There's the data is. They just give the liner. I'll do you gathering information in gathering information session. I'll let you know these things. So you can complete with which steps we ask for you. So this thing that we need to work on and create the same visualization. So what usually people do that they just talk to the client, gather information, take a simple data, create SQL query there after they implement in the Power BI and say this is the basic layout that we discussed with you. If you do not receive layout, then please review. Let me know if any feedback. So parallelly we developing the report and taking a review from the customer, and this way we implementing the report. And if customer give everything to you, so then you have a good luck. You can implement same way that he and she asking for you, but usually not happen. See this if this report have customer never say that. Customer say I need KPIs. Okay, so for total investment, total revenue, gross income, and quality, and it says if I select anything, doesn't impact anything, but it's still impacting. So he will say, oh, why is impacting this one? So we need to ask from them what are you exactly looking for. So you must prepare layout and give it to them. If you receive all information, go ahead and implement it. Okay. So depend on the manager. And if you receive modification in the report, then obviously you need to, we can say, if you receive with, obviously you need to modify, then you build, you got the report, maybe add the page, maybe delete the visualization, anything modification can be come for you. So it depends on the situation. Any other question? Anyone have any question? No.
A small doubt.
Yeah, go ahead.
So you said that Microsoft BI, Power BI is developing every month. They're getting update version. So why they are getting update version competitively?
Okay. So suppose you are working with Excel. The problem is going to face by today by you today. Okay. Someone has been faced already. This thing you know that, correct? There are many I raised till date in my life. 20 tickets I raised till date. Okay, where Microsoft do not have a solution. So how should I fix this one? See this, why Microsoft added Microsoft last one, we can say April, 1st of the April. Okay, they added these things. Previously it was different looks. This see this one. People are complaining, even I complained that. Okay, what happened? When I select everything together, it was coming till here. If someone need everything one go, how we deal with it? They first to do everything, then we come to the visualization and check it. It is not a good way to work. Parallelly, we can see the data and we can see the report. We can see also do the modification. So that reason we raise a ticket in the Microsoft portal where we have option. Raise the ticket, and after that Microsoft review a ticket and implement as much as quickly possible as per the criticality level. If this request raised, I think Jan 2021, I raised this concern to the Microsoft. But I just voted that because someone else has been created a year ago, but I just voted that because I got a problem. That's the reason. Same way, people suggesting to the Microsoft, please change this one, those things. So that reason Microsoft working on the ticket, those tickets, and they solve it. I'll show you where the ticket is. Power BI tickets. This is Power BI support tickets. People do create here. Even an idea you can add that raise issue if you concern, documentation, sample, guide learning. So these kind of things here. So let me get support. Oh, go type anything. Where is the Google? How to solve month sorting. See this. Community we have, okay? Microsoft build the community. The problem that today facing, someone already faced that. See this. These are people already asked them what is the problem in that, how should I solve it with Microsoft given solutions to them. And there are many people working on this to solve the people problem. So those problem is genuine and concern. So people reach out to the Microsoft to solve this ticketing. They are raising concern to the Microsoft every day. Every day Microsoft got 20-50 tickets every day globally, maybe 60-50 tickets, and they work on it and solve it because they have product team separately. So these are the concern raised by the people and no solve because he's the owner of the product. So he must answer the question that people raising. If you not update yourself, no one is going to use. You know that very well. So that there is an updating every month so that my product should be relevant in the market. Otherwise, no one going to use it. Suppose the problem I'm facing today, if I face same thing after 1 year, why should I use this application? Someone else come and kick them out. There are many applications available. Do you know? Still, before my training, we never knew the name of other application. Have you ever heard about the Domo? No, I'm sure you know. You don't know about that. Why? Because Microsoft, what kind of marketing they are doing, people don't know about that application. I saw many people, once the Colgate is in the market, people say, even they purchasing the close-up, okay, they please give me the Colgate to the shopkeeper, say, please give me the Colgate, but they are buying close-up. They take a name of the Colgate only. What kind of marketing they are doing? Tableau and Power BI. Right now, Power BI is best application. It has huge demand in the market. Learn quickly and focus on the learning, guys. Repeat my video twice and learn it so that you can grab ASAP. Yes, that is the request. Any question? Any other question? Anyone? I'm happy to answer.
No, sir.
Perfect. So, guys, can we connect tomorrow same time? If you have a time tomorrow also, or you need time to learn? Please connect tomorrow as well, okay? Then Monday will get gap. Then 1 day gap will give it to you so that you can have space and you can do that partly, okay?
Sure, sir.
Sure? Okay. So let's connect tomorrow at 7 p.m. without any delay, okay? Nice to talk to you guys.
Sir, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, sir? Monday
Tomorrow?
or Sunday?
No. Tomorrow, Sunday I'm talking about. Tomorrow is Sunday. So at least we have a holiday, guys. You can learn tomorrow. Monday do practice it both days and Tuesday will connect once again. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, because
Yeah,
we have
sure.
a space on that, yeah.
Yes.
So video will be given by shortly received in via email. So video will give it. Okay. Perfect. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
అందరూ ఒకసారి గూగుల్ మీట్ లో రండి.